bosses. And most especially to Mr. Kyle Khan. Maraming salamat po. And sa mga friends ko na nandito to support me. To my fans, my family. Hi, Mama. Thank you so much. Thank you so much talaga for everyone. Sa lahat po na napunta dito ngayon, thank you po for being a part of this. It means so much to me. And you'll be seeing more of me.
Tama!
Thank you.
That's right! More of Andrea Brillantes. Ladies and gentlemen, to officially close the celebration, may we now invite our Tanduay execs on stage.
Tapos nung nalatag nito